Yeah, looks like that candle's still going. I do think we're getting ready to sell off though. I think it might end up becoming that institutional candle.
Tap in the lower time frame, I guess.
Yeah, yeah. We just want to see it, just like see an institutional candle form here, come down, mitigate that institutional candle, and then we can, look to enter. That's gonna be the game plan, pretty just basically a type three.
AU is going pretty crazy too. It went over previous highs.
Yeah, yeah, I saw that. This has got to be it, man. This has got to be it where we finally freaking dump. I really doubt we take this low, bro. I'm almost positive this is gonna be a sweep. Now it's dangerous like wording, but I'm pretty confident it's probably be a sweep. This is the first time in a while I've really seen some volatility from a news event. And normally, like I
That's
swear,
good.
it's not normal. This is like how it normally is, but like I swear, like last couple of like weeks or like even like this year, it hasn't been like this. Okay, we're starting to get our first reaction. That's good. Looking like we might be seeing that lower time frame shift. 5 minute, we have a shitty candle. 15 minute is closing soon. And then the 30 minute will close after that. Trap candle there on DXY. I'm not liking this. We're getting our second point here. It looks like a trap candle's going on. Potential 5 minute institutional there on AU. Obviously, everything else still isn't closed. GU is a trap candle there now. Yeah, one more retracement here. I'm down. Yeah, we got UCAD running down. Like AU. AU has a smaller stop. 15 minute just closed. Go for AU. We just barely missed from one tree. Maybe it'll tap in right now. But it kind of looks like it's gonna go Phuket, 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 Thailand.
Are you in?
Yeah, I'm in on AU now. I just called it out.
Okay, okay.
So what I'm kind of thinking here is like this might be institutional candles there, and we poked above pretty significant highs. After that, we've seen this point of manipulation. We have this trap candle. Honestly, we might even reach up to the trap candle with how we're showing right now. We might get something like that. That's kind of PA I want to see for type threes. Oh yeah, time will tell. It's not too big of a stop. It's only like 8, 9 pips. EU is looking good. I like about it a lot is like we just have a quick imbalance to fill here too. So even if we only come back and fill the imbalance before reversing, like we should be able to go risk free. 1 to 2 is right here, just coming in before we even fill the imbalance. Then we have 1 to 3 even before we pass the whole thing. So could be a good idea here. We'll see. AU is coming up. Shit. Good entry here. Yeah, we might get that scenario where tap into here. Let's hope we can reverse from there. I like that as soon as we opened, we saw the push up. There's no wick right now on the bottom. We most likely will see price continue down, I think, whether it's now or later on. React AU, let's react. Yes, AU reacted. Let's go. That's fire. That's exactly what we expected. Come back, tap into that third point of manipulation. Sorry, to that second point. We got equal highs here being swept. Right, so now we have our order flow really presenting first, second, third. See if we can keep pushing it down. See now that 5 minute is completely flipped, turned bearish, right? That was the expectation there. Good stuff. Let's go for all this bullshit here. It's gonna be a target for sure. 1 to 7 if we reach there, sheesh. And if EU reaches its equal lows, we're talking 1 to 5. There's still 103 pips. Just crazy. Yeah, this looks like a trap candle here on the 5 minute close. So if this next candle is bearish, we got a pretty good confirmations. 3 minute as well, looking like an institutional candle. So yeah, this looks good. This should definitely drop if it all these equal lows. Yeah, we're gonna dump. We're gonna dump. Let's go. Let's go, AU. 5 minute trap candle. Those are 1 to 2 right here. As long as we don't completely engulf, we should be good to go. That last 5 minute was great. Let's go. 1 to 2 already, baby. And we're dumping straight through. But yeah, AU was a freaking snipe. Perfect type three.
To be honest, yeah.
Told you type three setups happen a lot during news. We should be able to hit 1 to 3 pretty easily. We're not far. Yes, AU. Yeah, EU is kind of struggling. Almost back at where we were thinking of taking our entry there. But AU is looking the most bearish right now. It's good. It's probably because AU is the only one that really took a external high. Probably a lot of liquidity got clapped up there. It's looking good. Except this 15-minute doesn't have a wick on top. It's not great. It's looking super sus. It's looking good, but it's like we got 2 points now with no wick on top. We're gonna have to rebalance this at least. So if we can push down from here and make 1 to 3, we're gonna have to take partials, move stops. That cook. Oh, AU hit 1 to 3. Cool.
Nice.
Very nice.
What did CPI come out as?
Didn't even know. It's been a while since I've seen the news event do such a crazy move like this, so it's great. This is normally like the setups I like to do during news events, and they haven't really been happening. I feel like news events have been hitting, and they've just been so chill. Like this one candle was insane. It was like clapped everyone. Literally freaking
Oh yeah,
1 minute.
that was the big event. Damn,
Yeah, this is the news event here. So we went up 26 pips. We all the way up to there. We went up 41 pips.
beautiful.
Even I'm feeling a little bit sussed out on AU because like we do have like 2 points here, candles with no wicks on multiple time frames. We probably will go ahead and fill that. I feel like,
Did you take partials?
yeah, I did.
Nice.
But I took small partials because I kind of believe in it. I took 20% instead of 50.
I mean, yeah, I can come back up, retrace, and then come back down again.
What's good, y'all? What's good? I'm out here for the after market update of this trade. So as you guys can see, we did end up taking this position up here. You guys just saw the breakdown of it. Really, really beautiful reaction. We ended up taking partials around here, and we anticipated the potential of price to run, some of these highs, get back and fill in some areas where there were no wicks. And then from there, running back down, which is exactly what happened. So we did manage to take partials, but we also, stayed in for the longer term move. So awesome to see. Really good trade management. Again, I think that targets for this idea could be potentially like this, trend line liquidity that we have here. 1 to 5 is really close. So we should be able to hit that. And then we'll see, how we manage the position. But again, guys, beautiful entry from the CPI news event. Love to see it. And hopefully you guys learned something from this video. So yeah, catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.